Hello everyone, I'm Vivek Vedan. I'm an intern data scientist at the Blackcoffer company. Today we will go through a project which we have created for the client. So this project takes the input as a video and predicts the wrong word and also create the red bounding box around the words. Now let's see the demo. Here we will select a video. So this is the first frame of the video. Now let's start the project. So in this project we have used Keras OCR model for detecting the words, and for checking the word is right or wrong we are using NLTK Python library. For this project also for this project we have used Django framework. So let's see the output. As we can see, task has started. Over here model is running on the every frame of the video. So as we can see, it has 192 frame in the video. Now let's check the output. So here's the final output. Model was able to detect 22 wrong words. Now let's check the video. Over here, when the model is able to detect the right word, it's creating a green bounding box, and when it's able detecting the wrong word, it's creating a red bounding box. Let's check the video. As we can see, model was able to detect the right word and the wrong word. This was a demo. Lastly, I would like to thank Ajay sir and the Blackcoffer team for supporting me and helping me to lead this project till the end. Thank you.